Hello, my name is Alexis from Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Ford Transit van. Give you an overview of condition, things that I would want to know if I couldn't see it in person quite yet. I took this one in personally from an older couple. They had bought it to run errands and just decided that a truck would work better for them. On this front bumper, you are going to have some rock chips throughout. You can see one there. There's a couple interspersed. I will say with this gray metallic, they do blend in pretty well, the sparkles. As you would expect, very good tread on these tires. Wheels are in good condition. They weren't hitting curbs or anything like that. The scratch right here, it's going to be hard to see in the sun. Right along there, just below the mirror. Got our roof rack up there. Show you in the driver's side. No scratches on the door or anything like that. You do have a demarcation by the handle over here. You can see that little black mark. No smells or anything on the inside. Seats are all in great condition, no tears. Overview of the dash for you. You have your large visors. Headliner is also clear of any rips, tears, stains. We'll head into the back here. You got your sliding door. So this is what the seat looks like down in here, these center buckets, and then you have a seat up as well. And to pull them up, you just have these two. There's a two-handed affair. That guy back, and then one more. You have your chargers back there as well as climate control, and then your walk through to the back. Back here you have your two seats, and these can fold down to make everything flat as well. You flip this guy over, pull that guy down, and then I'll have to do that one from the back. Have a bit of a scrape here above the rear tire, kind of V-shaped there. We'll head to the back. You have a scratch here. See the two. And a scratch near the rear parking sensors as well. A scuff there above the tow hitch. And right in there, that's hard to see, but there you go. We'll open this guy from the back. Just a little button I pressed up there. This is your storage area when the third row is upright. Enough for some groceries or something. Okay, I'm pulling that, and that makes it go down flat just with the tassel. And these are magnetic, so you pull this guy back, bump that guy up, and there you have it. This guy will do the same. It will be completely flat throughout. You can put any cargo there. If you put down a mattress pad, you could probably even sleep in it for camping. Pull this down. Head over to the passenger side. See, that is a little bug. Come on. There we go. That's what it looks like from this side with that folded down. And lastly, our front passenger side. Very expansive dashboard up there. Alright, and there you have it. That concludes our tour of this 2019 Ford van. I hope you can come see it in person soon. Thank you.